Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Ariel. I create beauty videos, a little bit of fashion, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today's video is going to be a very short video. I wanted to show you guys how to make your small eyes look bigger. Now this is a technique that I do in almost every single one of my makeup tutorials, so most of you guys have already seen this before, but I just wanted to go a little bit more into detail about why. So as you can see, I don't have the biggest eyes in the world, and especially when I smile, which is very much often, my eyes tend to look even smaller. And because when I wear my makeup, I sort of want a little bit more of that wide eye look, a little bit more awake, and that look to make my eyes look just a bit bigger than what they naturally do. And the way I do that is with eyeliner. Not just any eyeliner, but you have to go in with a super light colored eyeliner, and basically that's going to serve as an extension of the white part of your eye. So let me show you the two eyeliners that are my go-tos. So this one is the NYX Wonder Pencil. I'm almost out of this one, so I need to order another one, and I'll put the link in the description box to both of these eyeliners so you guys can purchase them. But this is the NYX Wonder Pencil, and it is in a nude color. Now this is in the color Deep, and with the NYX Wonder Pencils they have different colors of nude. You can go with like a deeper nude, which is this one, and they have lighter nudes. I want to say they have like 3 or 4 different shades of nudes that you can use in your waterline. So let me swatch it and show you how it looks. So this is what it looks like, and when you apply this in your waterline, it just makes your eyes look a little bit more open and awake. Like I said, it makes the white part of your eye look like it's going down a little further. It's almost looking like it's an extension of the white part, which essentially makes your eyes look a bit bigger. So let me go ahead and apply it in the waterline. So as you can see, it's making this eye look a bit larger than this eye. So instead of the white looking as if it stops where it naturally stops, the nude color or the light color is making it look like it's a bit bigger and more open. Now I wouldn't just leave it like this. I would definitely either put some sort of eyeliner under it or mascara just to finish off the look. So I'm gonna add a bit of mascara just to finish off the eye look. Like I stated before, there's multiple colors you can use to open up your eyes. This is the NYX Epic Wear Pencil in the color white, and I'm going to swatch it right next to the Wonder Pencil so you guys can see the difference. So this one is stark white. This is another option you could use to make your eyes look more open, more awake, and bigger. I personally prefer to use the nude pencil because I feel like it gives more of a natural look, almost like it's there but not there. But let me show you how the white pencil can make your eye look larger as well. So that's the white pencil. It's the same concept. It serves as an extension of the white part of your eye, essentially making your eye look bigger. Although, like I said earlier, that white sort of stands out more. It's a lot more bold and noticeable, but it could serve as a look as well. So I'm gonna add mascara to that one. Whether you use the nude pencil or the white pencil, they both can serve the same purpose, which is to make your eyes look bigger and more open. This is a technique that you want to be careful with if you have bigger eyes, because keep in mind it's going to make your big eyes look even bigger. Although, like I said, it's a look. If it's something that you prefer or you just like the way that looks, I think it could be cute as well. Do you have small eyes? Do you struggle with making your eyes look bigger? Comment down below and let me know what you think about this technique. Have you ever tried it before, and which one do you prefer? Do you guys prefer the nude pencil or the white pencil? If you found any value in this video today, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.